Hello students, I'm going to discuss writing task 2. This task 2 I'm going to explain you how the templates are to be used, what is the importance of a filler in a template and how it develops your essay. A good essay contains 4 paragraphs: introduction, body paragraph 1, 2 and conclusion. Now just have a look at your screen. This is going to be a sample answers for you. Introduction. The importance of there's a blank. In this blank, kindly rephrase the question and your line will be completed. Which was always debatable has now become more controversial, with many people claiming that it is beneficial while others reject the notion. You will have a look at the screen that how easy it is to develop the complete paragraph into 55 or 60 words. Body paragraph 1, it contains 3 reasons the opening line is given to you. Analyzing the statement and explaining further, the first and the foremost reason behind is that. Now all the that's needs to be filled with reasons. Similarly, it is going to be body paragraph 2. Opening line probing ahead, one of the main underlining reasons stems from the fact is that. Fill again 3 reasons and your essay is complete. Last paragraph is conclusion. It is to recapitulate. You have to give up your opinions. Save this reel. It's going to help you. For such content, kindly buy the templates. The link is in bio.